This is the login page of the librarian. If any invalid credentials are given, it throws error. Now log in with the correct credentials. The librarian can view either the book data or the member data. Starting with the book data, all books shows the books already available in the library. Now the librarian wants to add a new book. On filling the details of the book, the librarian can add the book to the library system. All books, it appears here. Now if the librarian wants to search a book, he can either search by the book ID, title, author, or even the book category. So I'll search with the book category. It's ignoring the capital and small case. So the librarian can add additional copies of the book or delete a copy of the book or delete the entire book. These two can be applicable in case the book is damaged or lost. In adding book, it's kept updated to 3. Now deleting a copy, back to 2 copies. Now we will go to the main menu to see member details. All shows all the members who are registered to the library. We can search a member here by member name to show his or her status. Click on the search. This user has already issued one book B110. Now let's see whether the same user can issue another copy of the same book. No. At a time, the user can't issue multiple copies of the same book as per the rule of this library. Now let's see if the user can issue some other book at the same time. Yes, he can. And here we see against the user the book ID is updated and the issue date, which is today's date, and the return date, which is 7 days, calculated as 7 days from the issue date. This can be varied according to the membership. Now I'll check whether other user can issue the same book F555. because there were only one copies of the book. Let me try if other user can issue some other book. Yes, he can or she can. Now let's see the case if without registration can any new member add a book, issue book. No, this member is not a registered member in this library, so she can't. Let's register her. Now let's see whether the new registered user can issue a book or not. Yes, she can. Here is the record. Now I'll check this F134 book can be issued by some other member or not. Successful. Another member wants to issue the same book. No. Why not? Because for this book, only two copies were available in the library. Now for this user, on returning book, I want to check whether what is the fine status B110. Go to return book, give the username, give the user type member type, which is student, fine to be paid 0 because the issue date and return date is same. So any days before the 7 days, if the user is returning the book, no fine needs to be paid. So this user is returning the book, and subsequently here against the user we can see that record is deleted.